Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this knitting stitch embroidery. If you have made any project which is very plain without any design, then you can make this to give it a grand appearance. See, this was a plain yellow sweater and I have made these embroidery stitches which resemble the knit stitch. It is very beautiful, it looks very nice and it is very easy to make. So in today's tutorial I will be explaining you how to make this knitting stitch embroidery. So let's get started. You will need these things to begin the embroidery. Yarn cuttings that I have used are from 6 inches to about 15 inches. So you can choose the length depending upon your interest. Let's start making this knitting stitch embroidery. Choose your color. I have taken my color also with the needle. Then to begin, see, first you observe the stitches carefully. Here also you can see these V stitches. So wherever you want to start, you have to go below that V stitch. I will go below this V stitch here. Okay, here. Like this. Pull the yarn. Leave a small tail back side. We will tie a knot. Next, what you have to do, skip the next V stitch, this one, and insert your needle below the 2 loops of the next V stitch. You have skipped one, you have inserted the needle into the below the next V stitch, 2 loops of next V stitch. So pull it, don't pull it tight, it should be very loose. Next, you should take back your needle into the same space where we started. Alright, here I will pass it again back there. Now you can see the stitch that we just made, even that resembles the knit stitch. So now turn back and tie a small knot here, a very loose knot also, don't pull it at all. That's it. Now to continue, you should again pass the needle in between this pink stitch that we just made, okay, or below the next yellow V stitch, that is here. Pass it, pull it. Now what you have to do, skip this one and go under the loops of the next V stitch, okay, like this. Go back from where you started. Again come back in between the pink stitch or below the next yellow stitch. Skip this one, go under the loops of next V stitch. Go back. So this will continue. This is very easy and it looks very nice. So the only thing that you have to remember is you should be slow. Don't pull it at all. Like this. Continue till your required length or till your yarn finishes. this is my last stitch now, so I will go under these two loops. I have skipped a loop in between and I will come back like this. Just stop it here, turn back and pass your needle below a stitch and one more time below this loop. Basically you are just tying a knot here. Don't pull the knot. That's it. This is how you do the knit stitch embroidery. Now I will continue the same on the entire sweater, that is on both the front parts. I completed making the embroidery stitches on my sweater. This was a plain yellow sweater. Now I have decorated it with embroidery stitch. So it looks really beautiful. This is the finished product. So try this and let me know how it turns out. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.